in the Cadillac. I just got done painting the mayor's car.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, got that done.
So that's done. It's in clear coat. It's completely done.
So what do you got to do with this?
So now I'm going to try out some new product.
This is our collecting car. Whatever we want to call it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So what do you got to do? You trying what new product?
Well, I got a new cleaning product, right?
Yeah. Let me see.
And it cleans the car. See what's on here? It doesn't need a wash. It just needs a cleaning. You don't.
Right.
If you don't want to hit it with the hose or something like that, you just got a couple spots, dirty spots, stuff like that.
Let's check it out. Yeah, let's see it.
So let's take care of it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out, baby.
Let's see.
Hey.
Let me see. What's it called? Streak free. Where's my glasses? High instant shine. Gloss shine. Streak. I thought it was streak. I said steak. Streak free infused with UV blockers.
Alright.
You gotta try this.
Alright. Got brand new ones.
You got new ones?
Got new ones. It's open already. We already.
No, well, I took one out not that long ago. It wasn't that long ago. Go ahead, try it out. While you're doing that, I'm gonna smoke me a Kiki Momo. It's been a few days. A little busy, a little hot. I don't want to smoke one.
Alright, let's do it.
That does work. Okay, yeah, it works. It
Man,
definitely
look,
works. Look how nice and shiny
it's
it is.
slippery, look.
It did clean all the water spots, the dirt, the pollen, everything's gone.
It is. Well, we're going to keep using it.
Good. Go ahead, hit the whole hood. So you did quite a bit of work this week, huh?
Yes.
Today, you painted a Toyota in the back.
Yep.
That was some work. You masked it out this morning and everything?
Yep.
And now you're going to clean my Caddy, my
Yes.
collector car. Not collector as in worth $1 billion. Not, but it is a collector car, right?
Some circumstances.
We collect stuff with it.
Circumstances?
There you go.
There we go.
Okay.
All right.
You're concentrating, you're cleaning. That is nice. That's a very nice reflection that we got out of this. Don't worry about the fly diarrhea. Don't worry about that.
It's okay. He had a slight problem. He had McDonald's.
It's actually really nice. I like the way that thing cleaned it. We'll go look at the other side of the hood.
Something else.
I think you could do headlights with that cleaner. You can do chrome.
Works on everything. Protects and shines paint, plastic, fiberglass, gel coat, aluminum, chrome, stainless steel, and glass.
No kidding. No
Wait.
water needed. High gloss.
He doesn't believe me, I guess.
Nice. Here, let's try the glass.
Wait, I still got
Hit it.
Beautiful.
Yo, that stuff is actually nice. Look at that. No smudge marks, no smears, no nothing. Yo, seriously, bro, this is all right. Come here. I got an idea.
Not the Chevy again.
I got an idea. You had water spots all around this rim. Can we try the rim?
Yeah.
Yo, check that out. That's gorgeous. I'm actually somewhat excited that I have some because the car sits for like a long period of time and then you go pull the car out and then it's like you got to wash the whole car off against only like a little bit of dust and stuff.
That's what I always
I
say.
don't want to go through that. You know what I'm saying? Sweaty.
Well, here.
Anyway.
Wow. Did you see that? Look. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, same.
Look. See? That's how you know I'm not lying. We're not lying. Look. And then you put it on this side just to show you the difference. Doesn't move. You know why? Because it actually does. It works. It actually took it off.
Look, this is how you doing. This one's what are you doing? You know? And it smells great.
It does.
No. Look, bring it. Look.
It smells great.
Look. Put it back now.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It's great. It's just wonderful.
It does. It smells
Look
really
at that.
good.
Look at that. Look at that headlight.
It's good. Passes, definitely. Very nice. Yo, can we just see this? This has been sitting around the shop. It's full of dust again, but it's not dirty. Can you do a little area? I love black cars, especially like big, full-bodied cars like Cadillacs, Lincolns. I love, like, you know, long wheelbase, even short ones. But like,
look at the difference between the area
Nice
I
cars.
just did or this one. Which one do you think is better?
oh, you can see a circle. I don't know if it comes up on camera. There's only one thing I can tell you.
What?
Take it over the world.